Greetings, everybody. Nickie Brown here. I um, I don't like to hear news that isn't good. Um, and I saw it earlier this afternoon, but I kind of didn't pay attention to it. Um, but I just found out, literally, not even really 5 minutes ago, that Kevin Samuels transitioned, and so I want to offer my condolences to his mom and other relatives and friends, because no matter what, um, it is unfortunate to lose someone, especially under tragic circumstances. She says she found out on Twitter. I didn't realize because I read a brief article that he was in Atlanta. Um, so he was complaining of chest pains. A woman said, I don't know if this woman was his neighbor, a friend visiting, or whatever the case may be. Um, but an autopsy was done, and his passing is pending. So they have not confirmed a cause of death. Um, but apparently, it was on social media before the authorities even had a chance to contact his mom and tell her what happened to her son. And that's no bueno. So, again, regardless of the circumstances, I send love and light to his mom, his relatives, and his friends, and also his fans, because that is a tragic way to transition. Um, love y'all. Later.